On today's body cam, we're checking out 28-year-old has no idea she just ended an innocent man's life.
How you doing?
I'm okay. I just totally got T-boned.
Okay. You mind stepping out for me real quick? Where's everybody else that was in the car?
Nobody else was in the car.
Nobody else was in the car.
Not a single person.
Okay. So what happened?
I was turning left and somebody completely sideswiped, hit the tail end of my front right, and
Okay, where were they turning from?
From right there, this road right here, turning left, and I was turning left as well, and I had the right of way. I had the right.
Did you have a green light, a red light?
I had a green light. I had a green steady light, and I was coming from that way. Turned left.
So you were on
and
Country Club?
me.
Or you were on...
I was on 25, or was that 39? I'm sorry.
Okay, you were on 25 and
Yes.
north or south?
That was south, correct?
Towards St. Charles and the south. Okay.
I was
Man, I could smell the alcohol from here, man. She looked like she been drinking. I would be shocked if she hasn't been drinking.
heading to turn this way.
On the Country Club?
And as soon as I did, they swiped my right front end.
Okay, and where were they coming from?
Right on this road. They were
They
going
were
left
on
that way.
Country Club?
Yes, sir.
Turning left.
Correct.
So you were turning left on the Country Club from
So I
southbound
was coming
25.
from this way.
So
coming left
you
side of
weren't-
this road.
This is Country Club though.
Okay.
So give me a second here.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so frazzled. I finally just got on the phone with police officer. I'm like shaking up.
No, man, it's 10 for.
This is Route 25 going up and down. This is Country Club. You're trying to make a left on the Country Club, which is this road right here
Okay.
where my squad car is parked.
So right here is 25, correct?
No, this is Country Club.
2139 going.
And this is 25?
25 is over there.
34819.
Okay, so then I may have the road names wrong. However, I was coming from this road.
Okay? So you were on Country Club.
I was on Country Club. I was turning left on this street light. I had the
The street light that's over there.
right here, sir.
There's not a street light here though, ma'am.
Sir,
Those are my squad car lights.
No. The street light right ahead of that.
There's not
Ahead
a
of
street
the
light
squad
there.
cars.
The street light is over there.
Correct. Okay, I'm sorry. I am. Turn around. Up there, however.
Yeah, just quit the story. Just give up on that. Your story ain't adding up, man. It ain't adding up. Just go to the default method, man. Like the ladies do, man. Just do the crying thing. You know what I'm saying? Do the crying sympathy thing. Do that because you might get some sympathy. Do that. That might work because just forget about your story because you don't know where you at. Forget the story. Just do the default crying sympathy pity me method. Just do that.
I was coming straight that way and turning left.
South on
this way.
25, turning left on the Country Club.
Sure.
Yes.
And this person was coming straight this way, turning
you
left
think-
that way.
Do you know, was it a car, a bike, a person?
It was an SUV. It was a
An
dark colored
SUV hit
SUV.
you? And they were on Country Club.
They were right here and they were turning left that way. I was turning left this way. I had the steady green light to turn left. They sideswiped my
You had
front
a
right
steady
end.
green light, so like just
I
a
did.
green circle.
A green circle, yes. And they had probably road there.
How'd you end up down here?
When I got sideswiped and T-boned, it completely threw my car off. My tire got flat, my front right end tire, and totally veered me off into here. I was holding on for dear life, just
Go ahead.
about to scream.
27
You know,
mile an hour
I'm
has
just-
denied void.
I did call 911, the dispatcher, and
10-4.
she said, just stay put, they're gonna find you.
Did you
Thank
come
God you
to?
guys did.
Did you come to a stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay. Then how'd you end up over here?
Again, when I turned left, I got my right end to completely swipe.
Yep. And you came to a stop.
I was at a stop before I turned.
Okay. So after you,
Once I turned, she completely slammed into me, and then my tire flattened, and
did you come to a complete stop after the accident happened?
I do not know.
1410 for.
I couldn't. My car was completely veered in. I couldn't even halt until I came to this.
Yeah, for.
Just start crying. Do that. Shit don't matter. Yeah, here we go. Do
An
that.
SUV hit you? Can you describe it?
It was like a hatchback looking situation.
Okay. Can
I'm
you
not sure,
describe it to
sir.
me? Don't remember?
Darker colored, like SUV or hatchback. I do not know, honestly.
Right from 13 to 80.
I'm so sudden.
Did
I
you see
saw
the
for
other
a
driver
brief.
at all?
What's that?
Did you see the other driver at all?
I did not. No. I saw the car even for a brief second, and right before I was veering into the ditch.
1310 from 85.
Okay, so you were coming from a friend's house in South Elgin.
1360.
You were
1360.
south on 25, making a left hand on a country club.
Put me on that stack.
And then you were sideswiped by an SUV that was turning from country club onto 25.
That's correct.
And they were making a left. So that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. If that car is making a left and you're making a left, it would have been a front end damage or it would have been your driver's side. So how's your passenger side get hit?
I mean, I would say it was more of a T-bone than a side swipe, but
But if the T-bone would have happened, it would have been on your driver's side.
I know. But I started turning in, and she kept going, and we were in the intersection
Which
when that
would have put your
happened.
driver's side against her front end.
If you say so, but I know what happened, so
Okay. And nobody else was in the vehicle when
no, not
the
a
accident
single
occurred?
soul,
Okay. And where are you headed to?
no. Home.
Okay.
And I'm gonna freak out if I don't get there.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28.
28, and she said, my mom is going to freak out if I don't get there. You are 28. Really?
Okay. Hold tight real quick, man. Look, I'm pretty sure you're 55. Oh, yeah. I'll go through it all. Just keep it here.
Fields.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight, ma'am?
I'm not.
Nothing?
Nope.
Have you had any drugs or any substances that would make you impaired?
No, sir. No,
Yep.
I'm actually okay on the hospital.
Okay. Are you wanting to do field sobriety test?
No, I'm not.
Okay. You're under arrest for DUI.
Thank you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Do you want to be checked out?
No.
Okay. Track on 1310. We're gonna walk this way.
Okay. Can you grab my phone too?
Yes. We'll come back for it. You show one female 95 for 55. We have to walk through a broken fence, so
No problem.
we're just gonna go straight up this hill. Just be careful.
Yep. Yep.
Right here. Yep. I'll tell you when we're close. Watch that fence. Sit over here. He's gonna transport you. Before we do that, we gotta take the purse off.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Well, at least she know not to do fields. She's still cooked though.
If you change your mind, let me know.
For the ambulance, you can always have them come to the PD for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, search real quick.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get the her phone for her.
I put I think it's the keys for a Jeep on the hood. There's one key.
Up there.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with an aggravated DUI, leaving the scene of an accident involving death and reckless homicide. While the case is still pending, the court ruled that the driver remain in the Kane County Jail while awaiting trial, as she was deemed a risk to public safety. Thanks for watching today's video.
Damn. Cooked. Life changed forever. You see, so at least you don't gotta worry about mom being a little worried about you. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be right in the county jail waiting trial, man. She's 28 years old talking about, well, mom is gonna be worried. What if I don't get there? You ain't no little kid. What the hell? Those days is over. Know what I'm saying? But damn, man. Should have stayed home.